Hey everyone, I'm Jay.
I'm Karen.
And we're with the Thrifty Flamingo. So we're both part-time poshers that make a full-time income off of Poshmark. And we just finished producing a workshop on how to take Poshmark to the next level.
And so we want to show you how we make a full-time income working part-time. So we made a 6-part course all about the ins and outs of Poshmark.
So it's a completely free workshop. It's a 6-part workshop, and we're going to be sending it out to the people on our email list. So be sure to get on our email list. We're going to be sharing our methods on photography,
inventory system,
what sells best on Poshmark, and we're going to give you a behind-the-scenes tour of how we run our business out of our home.
This is video number 1 in the series, and we will be taking you on a tour of our house and show you, what our setup is, anywhere from our photography studios, where we wrap stuff, everything pretty much. So you get the ins and outs of pretty much what goes on behind the scenes.
So come take a look with us. What's up everyone? Welcome to the free workshop. We're going to be talking about how to start and manage a business on Poshmark today.
We're going to give you a walking tour of the ins and outs of how to run a business out of your location. And
if this is something you're interested in, don't forget to find the link and get on that list, and you'll get the free workshop when it comes out.
Yeah, so let's go do a walking tour. Come on. All right, so welcome to my house. We do run our entire business out of our house. First place I'm going to show you is my studio space. We have a 3-bedroom house. There's only 2 of us, so I have dedicated the entire downstairs bedroom as a studio. Luckily, I got to paint. The landlord's awesome. I have 3 white walls. I have a gray wall in case I'm shooting something white on white. No bueno. So yeah, I do all different types of photography. I have flat laying rug. I even have a natural wood floor, which I have used as a backdrop. It's gorgeous. Just gotta roll away the rug, and it's a nice wood floor. I do have a dress form. I have a hanger. Like I have pretty much everything I need in this small 3rd bedroom. It works great for me. Natural lighting. This is one of the few rooms in the house that have 2 windows because it's a corner room. So I do get a lot of natural lighting. You don't see a lighting kit in here because I just work during the day. I take my pictures during the day. It really does make the colors look good. I used to use a lighting kit, still own one, but I don't need to because I have this glorious space. Now, this is just for Poshmark. This is just our clothes, our shoes, clothing and accessories. We do take pictures for eBay, but not in here. Let's go show you where we do that.
What's up everyone? This is where we do the eBay shoots. We take our hard goods over here. We bought these rugs. They're great for taking eBay backgrounds. We just lay them down on the table. I'll stick something on the rug and we'll take a quick shot of it. Gets a full white background. This is some of our inventory for the men's that needs to be shot, so we haven't shot that yet. I'm going to start also taking pictures of men's clothes in here so that we can double our workload and get as many listings as possible out. So this is where we do that, and let's go take a look at shipping.
All right, we have everything down in the basement for shipping and packaging. Welcome to my inventory. We keep our Poshmark and our eBay inventory here. Everything in numbered bins or a numbered closet is all clothing. That's all clothing, shoes. It's all the bin numbers, location. Why do I pull out the hardest bin? Because it's clear. That's why, because it's clear. Everything's labeled. So B1, this one's B215. And it says what it is. I go into the bin, pull what it is. Jay can pull clothes. So that's how easy this system is. We are getting built-in shelves eventually in the spring. Very excited about that. Anything that can't go into a bin does go into, and then the hangers are actually numbered. So when I wrap this up for shipment, the hanger goes on a hook over by shipping, and then when I have to add something into inventory, I use the same hangers. I try to keep them in order, but it's not a huge closet, so it's not a huge deal if it gets a little out of numbered. Now, eBay hard goods here, we mostly sell hard goods on eBay. Clothing just doesn't go for as much money on eBay, so we want to make maximum profit, so we sell our clothing on Poshmark for the most part. We really like games. We're little nerds ourselves. We like video games, vintage board games, action figures, singing backpacks, stuff like that. So that's usually what we sell because we kind of have a fondness for it. Or Star Trooper mugs. I wanted to keep that Star Trooper mug. Not gonna keep it. Whenever we pull inventory, we have these bins like all over the house. We just, you know, we come down with what we need to pull. We throw it all in the bin, and then we grab the bin and...
This is where we ship.
And then this is where we ship. So we fill the bin and we ship. We have thermal printer. We have all of our packaging supplies. We do have a scale. We rarely need the scale for Poshmark because it's up to 5 pounds. The scale is pretty much just for eBay or a very, very heavy bundle. We actually have 2. One's upstairs as well.
Lint rollers in case there's some mess on the clothes that we need to roll up before we send them out.
That white fuzzy rug kind of gets...
Yeah, that fuzzy rug gets in the way.
One downfall.
Oh, show them your tape.
Oh, tape. Yeah, 3 tape rolls. We got eBay tape. We got regular tape. We got Poshmark tape. Packaged with Posh Love. So we do have tape. Obviously, we need to tape things. And any kind of packing supply we need. I'm a little bit of a box hoarder because Poshmark, you're allowed to ship pretty much in anything. And sometimes things get big, especially odd purses, tall boots. I shipped this pair of Stuart Weitzman boots that were seriously like thigh-high boots that you couldn't really fold because they were like suede. And I had to get an awkward size box for it. So I do keep awkward size boxes because you don't know what you're going to be shipping or when you're going to be shipping it. Yeah, so my little box hoard. Other than that, this is the usual stuff. Get it right at your post office or online. Poshmark, you can ship in anything. It's so easy. You know, it's really like, you don't have to think about it. And that's one of the great things about the shipping part. People get really stressed out about shipping. Not with Poshmark. eBay, a little bit different. eBay, you gotta figure it out. eBay, you gotta figure out what's the cheapest method. Can I put it in this box? Oh no, if it's really good in this priority box, Poshmark, ship it.
Poshmark really streamlines every aspect of the app. So it's really user-friendly, it's really intuitive, and it's really simple to use, and they make everything so that even a 5-year-old can do it. Yes.
So this is our entire process. 1 flight of stairs.
Yeah.
Not so bad, you know, and that's about it.
That's it. So I'm glad, I hope you guys enjoyed this tour of our business. And if you want to get in on this free workshop, don't forget to jump on that link and enter your email address, and we will send it out to you as soon as it's ready.
See you guys then.
Have a good one.